Hi readers, it's me again, Miss M, and I am here for our second video reading lesson of the week. We're going to start with job number 1, and that's warming up our reading brains. We're going to be tapping sounds, stretching sounds, and matching some beginning sounds. Here we go. Take a look at this picture. Do you know what that is? That's right, it's a bug. You are going to tap while I slide each chip into its place. Here we go. Let's tap the sounds in the word bug. B, g. Nice job. That word is bug. Here's your next one. This is a picture of a bed. Nice job. Fingers up to tap. Here we go. B, e, d. That word is bed. Do you know what this is? That's right. It's a bike. Fingers up to tap. Here we go. B, I, k. That word is bike. This one might be tricky to know what this name is. We're going to call this a pin, like a push pin. Let's tap the sounds in the word pin. Fingers up. Here we go. P, That word is pin. This is a picture of a boat. Good. Fingers up. Let's tap. B, o, t. That word is boat. This is a picture of a check. See how there's a yellow check mark? Just like how I put on our agenda. This is a check. Let's tap the sounds. Ch, e, k. That word is check. Few more pictures to warm up. This is a picture of a bat. Let's tap each sound. B, a, t. Nice job. Only 2 more. Do you know what this is? Good. This is a picture of the sun. Let's tap each sound in the word sun. Here we go. S, Nice job. That word is sun. Last one for practice. Do you know what kind of animal this is? You got it. It's a sheep. Let's tap each sound. Hold those fingers up. Here we go. Sh, e, p. That word is sheep. Readers, I have one more warm-up challenge for you today. We practiced this earlier in the week. This is our beginning sound match. All of the pictures in this row at the top have a match down here at the bottom. And we're going to match these pictures by their beginning sounds. First, let's look at this picture of a car. Let's bounce or stretch out that first sound. Do it with me. K, k, car. Your turn. Say k, k, car. Good job. Now let's take a look down here and see if we can find a picture with that k sound in the beginning. Is it lamp? Is it dice? Is it candle? Yeah, listen to those sounds. Car, candle. They have the same sound at the beginning, in the front. I'm going to move that match right here. Awesome. The next picture is of a leaf. Let's bounce that first sound. Say it with me. Say leaf. Awesome. So we're looking for a picture that has "ul" in the front. Can you find it down below? Nice job. A lamp has the same beginning sound as leaf. The next picture is of a certain kind of flower. This flower is called a rose. Let's bounce that sound in the beginning. Say rose. Rose. Good. Now let's see if we can find a picture that has the sound in front. Is it dice? Nope. Is it strawberry? Is it ring? Nice job. Ring and rose both have the same sound at the beginning. Only two more. This next picture is a duck. Duck. Which of these two pictures has the same beginning sound as duck? Is it strawberry or dice? You got it. Dice has the same beginning sound as duck. We only have one more picture, but let's make sure they're a match. Up top here, there's a picture of a snake. Say that with me. Snake. Good. Our last match, there's a picture of a strawberry. Strawberry. Nice job. We've matched all of our beginning sounds. We are done with warming up our brains. I'll see you in a few minutes to practice our letter sound drill. Nice job, readers.